2. Akamai Product and Service Knowledge. Understanding Akamai's products and services. Akamai is a leading global content delivery network, CDN, and cloud service provider that offers a wide range of products and services to enhance the performance, security, and scalability of online businesses and websites. One of Akamai's core offerings is its content delivery network, which consists of a distributed network of servers strategically located across the globe. This network helps deliver website content, media files, and other digital assets to end users with reduced latency and improved reliability. By caching and serving content from the server closest to the user's location, Akamai accelerates content delivery and improves the overall user experience. In addition to content delivery, Akamai provides various cloud security solutions. These include distributed denial of service, DDoS, mitigation services, web application firewalls, WAF, and bot management solutions. Akamai's security offerings help protect websites and applications from malicious attacks, unauthorized access, and data breaches, ensuring the integrity and availability of online services. Overall, Akamai's products and services encompass content delivery, cloud security, media delivery, and web performance optimization. By leveraging its global network infrastructure and advanced technologies, Akamai empowers businesses to deliver fast, secure, and scalable digital experiences to their users, regardless of their location or device. Content Delivery Network (CDN) Solutions. Akamai's CDN solutions are designed to improve the delivery and performance of web content and applications. By leveraging a global network of servers located in strategic locations, Akamai helps companies deliver content to end users faster and more reliably. Their CDN solutions optimize the delivery of web pages, video streams, software downloads, and other online content, reducing latency and improving user experience. Key features of Akamai's CDN solutions include caching. Akamai caches content at the network edge, allowing for quicker access and reducing the load on origin servers. Load balancing. Akamai's load balancing techniques distribute traffic across multiple servers, ensuring optimal performance and high availability. Dynamic Site Acceleration. Akamai's Dynamic Site Acceleration (DSA) technology optimizes the delivery of dynamic and personalized content, providing faster and more consistent performance. Media Delivery. Akamai's media delivery solutions enable smooth and scalable streaming of high-quality video and audio content. Security offerings. Akamai offers a comprehensive suite of security solutions to protect websites, applications, and infrastructure from various types of cyber threats. These solutions aim to safeguard against DDoS attacks, web application vulnerabilities, bot traffic, and other malicious activities. Key security offerings from Akamai include Web Application Firewall (WAF). Akamai's WAF provides protection against web application vulnerabilities and attacks, such as SQL injection and cross-site scripting (XSS). DDoS mitigation. Akamai's DDoS mitigation services help organizations defend against large-scale DDoS attacks that can disrupt online services. Bot Manager. Akamai's Bot Manager identifies and mitigates malicious bot traffic, preventing automated attacks and fraudulent activities. Enterprise Threat Protector. This solution secures enterprise networks by blocking access to malicious domains and defending against malware and phishing threats. Zero Trust and Secure Web Gateway. Akamai also offers solutions for implementing zero trust security frameworks and securing web traffic at the network level. Cloud and Edge Computing Services. Akamai provides cloud and edge computing services to help organizations offload computation and storage tasks to the network edge. This approach can improve performance, reduce latency, and enhance scalability. Key services in Akamai's cloud and edge computing portfolio include EdgeWorkers. EdgeWorkers enables the execution of custom code at the edge of Akamai's network, allowing for real-time processing and customization of content delivery. Serverless computing. Akamai's serverless computing services enable developers to deploy and scale serverless applications, leveraging the global network infrastructure. Edge DNS. Akamai's Edge DNS service provides fast and reliable DNS resolution, optimizing the user experience and reducing the impact of DNS-related issues. EdgeKV. EdgeKV is a distributed key-value store that allows for fast and scalable storage and retrieval of data at the edge. Overall, Akamai's products and services span across content delivery, security, and cloud/edge computing, helping organizations deliver content faster, secure their digital assets, and leverage the benefits of distributed computing infrastructure.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.